let me show you how to watch adult videos on YouTube. Now, if you're not finding all of the content on YouTube, including adult or mature content, I'll show you how to get it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's open up the YouTube app on your iPhone, Android. And the first thing we need to do is go into the settings of your account. There are two different potential ways that you can see all of that adult content. And the first one is to make sure that you don't have restricted mode turned on. It says this helps hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate, and you can always turn that feature off. Essentially, this allows you to be able to watch those content, but keep in mind that's not the only thing that you need to do. I would also recommend going to a web browser and go to Google Family Link, because potentially you have a child or a restricted account. You can see immediately it goes to my daughter Madison's account here, and I can go to YouTube and it will show me the option to choose that experience. For YouTube Kids, it can be set to either preschool 4 and under, 5 to 8, or ages 9 to 12. But you can see with a Family Link account, it doesn't give you the ability to have an adult content experience. So essentially, you need to go back out of here and change the account itself. If it is set up under a Family Link, make sure you remove it and have it as a standalone account.